Hello all, welcome to our channel All Set Ready CP. So today we are going to see how we can change the wipers by ourselves, and thus we can change around 300 service cost by ourselves too. Okay, so now why I'm going to change this wiper is because you can see these grooves present in the windshield. These are nothing but the grooves that are caused by the worn out wipers. So when you see this, immediately you have to take action to replace these wipers. The main reason why I'm saying is, so let me show you first. When I turn on the wiper, this actually creates the lines as you can see over there. So at the daytime it's fine, but when you drive at the night or during heavy rainy time, these grooves are the one that acts as a nightmare. During night it will cause more reflection, and during the rainy time, that toward the night, it will be a real nightmare. So when you see this, it's immediately time to replace your wiper. And wiper actually, there are multiple options available, framed, frameless, there are multiple things, and also there are many varieties of wipers too. You can choose which one suits your need and replace them. And one wiper's lifetime is one winter, so one rainy season, one winter, and one summer. Then it will be gone, which means 1 year from the date of purchase. If I am purchasing this June, next June, it's ideal to replace. Else, these grooves would be there and don't get adjusted to these things. These are something that we have to change immediately. So this is the new wiper that I had bought. It's Bosch brand, 22-inch. So where I can see this 22 is, just type your car name space wiper size. With that you can see, so 22 and 16 is for Ford Aspire. So now we will just replace for the right side, which is 22. Its MRP is around 254 and we got it around 220 or 230 in the local shop. There are multiple options, it's up to you. So since we are going to replace every year, and my usage and the rain in my city is very less, I always prefer to replace with the basic model. So for both sides it won't cost more than 350. So per year 350 for wiper is ideal. So this is the new wiper. Now let's replace the old wiper. So to remove the old wiper, it's very simple process. You can see this clip mechanism, right? I'll show very clearly. In the old wiper, you can see a small clip mechanism over there. So just press it and pull. That's it. Very simple. Also in the new wiper too, you can see the clip available over here. I'll show it clearly to you. This clearly states that any wiper that you buy will have this clip. So the one it is in my old car is Valeo brand, and the new one is Bosch. So any brand you buy, just press it and pull it. That's it. It comes out. So just a matter of 5 seconds, you can take the wiper out. The mechanism is very simple. We are pressing it, right? So why you are pressing is we have to remove the lock, and the lock is nothing but you can see a small gap over there. It's something that goes and fits in that. That's it. Now next what we are going to do is we are going to install this Bosch wiper, and there are two ways to install wiper based on the brands. So in Bosch brand, if I try to install in the same way as we removed from the Valeo, that's by inserting into this rod, it won't work because Bosch is an easy plug and play one, whereas Valeo we have to do it this way. But both of the things won't take more than 5 to 10 seconds to fit. But just to show you, okay, so here what we can do is we can directly insert it into this rod, but ensure that the clip is at the lower side. That's how you have to insert. Okay, the clip that we showed, right, that should be at the lower side, and the opposite side is the one that you have to insert into there. Just push it up, you will hear a click sound. Yes, we are done. So the new wiper is ready. If you see clearly, the total time taken to change the wiper is not more than 30 seconds. Now let's see how this wiper performs. As you can see, windshield has a small groove lines. Now I will wipe it off with the new wiper. Let's see. Yes, the new wiper, there is no grooves, but on the left side we have the old wiper, right? You can see the grooves over there. Grooves in the lines, and the right side one actually wipes off those grooves, which means that it's time to change the left side wiper too. So we will change it tomorrow. So with this we will close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And always please ensure to replace your wiper, and the wiper size can be seen by just a normal Google. Thank you.